Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully by the end of it you'll want to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And for all of my subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video I will be attempting to do a twist and curl using TGIN's entire Miracle Repairx collection. Starting off, I'm using the strengthening shampoo. This is a gentle cleanser, so it doesn't have all of that harsh sulfates and chemicals or any of that stuff. And it is infused with black honey and hydrating coconut oil. So this wash day I decided to shampoo my hair twice because after my last wash day my scalp was left feeling very itchy and irritated, so I needed to really clean my hair. So I went in, shampooed my hair twice, and as you can see, this shampoo lathers up instantly. It lathers up a lot, which I really enjoy in a shampoo, and it smells pretty good. After rinsing out this shampoo, my hair was actually feeling very soft. It was still clean and it was not stripped at all. Next up, I'm going in with the CPR treatment, which is the Curl Protein Reconstructor. This is supposed to work deep to detoxify your hair, remove buildup, strengthen your hair strands, and restore protein in your hair. So all you have to do is apply a ½ ounce of the product to your entire head, leave it on for 3 minutes, and then rinse it out. Now, if you are lacking protein, if you are in need of protein, then you can go ahead and cover your hair with a warm towel, still leave it on for the same 3 minutes, and then rinse it out. That will give you the maximum benefit of this product. But I don't lack any protein, but I don't use protein in my regimen often, so this was like a good boost. So I just left it on for the 3 minutes. I danced a little during the 3 minutes, and then once the 3 minutes was up, I went ahead and rinsed it out. It left my hair feeling very soft, but I feel like I will see more of a benefit from it if I used it maybe once or twice more. Next up, I'm going in with the Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. So this is basically my deep conditioner. So this is supposed to restore life back to your hair. So if you have dry, damaged, or color treated hair, this is perfect for you, especially if you are experiencing any kind of shedding or breakage. This is a really good product. I'm still kind of experiencing postpartum shedding, so this was a really good treat for my hair. I loved how it made my hair feel when I was applying it. It says to apply a generous amount. That's what I did. And it soaked into my hair really well. That's what I really love about this mask. So I went ahead, I applied the mask to each section first so that it gives it time for my hair to soak it in. And then once I'm done applying the mask, then I will go ahead and detangle each section, twist it up, and then I will go ahead, apply a conditioning cap, let it sit on my hair for maybe about 15-20 minutes without heat because I don't have a hooded dryer or any of that, so I just do it without heat, and then I will go ahead and rinse it out and on to the next step. I went ahead, I rinsed out the mask, and now it is time for me to apply the protective leave-in conditioner. So if this is your first time watching me, then you don't know that I apply my leave-in conditioners while still in the tub, and I do that for a few reasons. First, it saves me time. outside of the tub when it's time for me to style my hair, but also because I have low porosity hair, so it gives my hair time for it to soak in the product, so that by the time it's time for me to style my hair is already prepped and ready, and I could just go right into styling. So with applying this leave-in conditioner, it is creamy. It went onto my hair silky smooth. And about this leave-in conditioner, it is lightweight. It's supposed to add definition. It's supposed to leave your hair feeling very soft and smooth and manageable. And it also is supposed to replenish your hair of its natural oils. So, my opinion, it left my hair soft. It felt great. And my hair actually really, really loved this leave-in conditioner. But I'm a leave-in conditioner girl, so I'm always pleased with a good leave-in conditioner. Now it is time to start this twist and curl. So first I will be applying the Curl Food Moisturizer, which is supposed to reduce frizz, flyaways. It's supposed to hydrate your hair, restore nutrients in your hair. And then I will be sealing that in with the Anti-Breakage Serum. So, you all, this twist and curl process, you're not going to see all of my struggles, but you're going to see my final results. And hopefully you all can just appreciate the hard work and effort I put into this twist and curl, because I am not that great at applying perm rods. I noticed while editing this video that I should have been rolling the perm rods from the bottom, like underneath, versus over. I don't know. Hopefully you understand what I mean, but I don't know. Look, after a long wash day, you just want your styling process to go by fast but easy and smooth, and perm rod is not my forte. That's all I got to say. So I went ahead and used medium-sized perm rods, and then as you can see, I was rolling the perm rod up, which I was thinking to myself, looking back at this, I'm like, why did I roll it up? But you know, I was trying to get the hang of it. I was trying to make sure that it doesn't roll off or any of that. So, you know, it's okay. We're gonna try this again another time. So moving forward, I detangled the section after applying the product, the serum. I detangle, I twist down, and then I apply the perm rod. That's it. It sounds easy, it sounds simple, but I was struggling. Okay, struggling. It is time for the takedown. So I am going to just take down the rods, and then I'm going to apply some of that anti-breakage serum to my hand, so that when I'm taking down the twist, I am not creating any kind of frizz or any of that sort. But comment down below letting me know if there's anything that I could have done better, if there's anything that I did wrong. This was my first time doing this, so you know, I know there's room to improve. So yeah. Now I'm just fluffing, shaping, getting the entire look together. I did apply edge control off camera because you already know I am not the best at doing so, but that's okay. In a moment you'll all see my final look, and just let me know below how you think I did. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media to see my everyday life. And until next time, bye.